Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Kim After 50. I'm Kim, and on this channel we talk about my life after 50, but we do that while doing lots and lots of travel. Over the last year, I took 21 cruises. Yes, 21 cruises, and I learned quite a bit. Things I wish I had known prior to going into my year of cruising, but things I'm going to share with you that can help you save time, money, and a whole lot of unnecessariness, right? We're leaving all the unnecessariness in the past. So I'm going to share these 5 tips with you, and I'm going to get right into it. Tip number 1, the ship matters more than the cruise line. So you hear people say, oh, I'm loyal to Royal, or I only sail Carnival, or I never sail Carnival because this one time I was on a Carnival ship and they had a bad odor and the food wasn't good and the crowd wasn't vibing, what have you. After 21 cruises, I've learned the ship matters more than the cruise line. So take a look at the individual ships that you are considering sailing. Though policies may be like fleet-wide, what you get on one, let's say Carnival ship versus another is going to vary drastically. You will not get the same cruise experience on, let's say, Carnival Conquest or Carnival Paradise as you're going to get on, let's say, Carnival Celebration or Carnival Horizon. You're going to get 2 totally different experiences because one has more food options. Sometimes a ship just has better food quality, more entertainment venues, livelier cruise directors, let's just say better entertainment, better layouts, just overall better vibes. So don't just look at the cruise line, but look at the individual cruise ship because it does make a difference. Number 2, the best deals sometimes come from where you least expect. And this is why for me, it's best not to be loyal to a particular cruise line, because if you sail with casino offers, the casino offers can differ from cruise line to cruise line. It may take more to get an offer from cruise line A than it takes to get a free offer from cruise line B. I experienced that. And then there are cruise lines that will match your casino offer. I've done a video about that. Cruise lines you've never sailed before, but they will give you a free cruise offer just because another cruise line is giving you a free cruise offer, and I'll link to that video below. There are also the Heroes program offers that come through Margaritaville, and then sometimes the best offer comes by stalking the cruise line websites to see what deals, what promotions they currently have, or partnering with a reputable travel agent that specializes in cruising. I'm not a travel agent. I just suggest a travel agent for new cruisers. Partnering with a reputable travel agent that specializes in cruising who can let you know what the best deals that they're seeing out there are. There are websites like Cruise Plum where you can take a look at the pricing across cruise lines. Don't just look at the home page of a cruise line and it says sailing starting from $339 and take that to mean that's the cheapest you can find on that cruise line is $339 per person. Dig a little deeper and you'll often be able to find a better price. Number 3 is pack for the cruise you are actually going to take. I was just teasing my daughter Aaliyah about this. I was like, you grocery shop for the person that you want to be. But I see all kind of produce going bad in this refrigerator. Sometimes we pack for the cruise that we want to take, the vision we have in our minds. And I just say pack for the cruise that the cruiser you're actually going to be. Like, as much as I'd love a fabulous outfit while I'm walking the streets of Cozumel, I need comfortable shoes when I'm walking the streets of Cozumel. So pack for the cruiser you actually are. And if that's comfortable, that's okay. Make sure that you take a jacket, sweater, because it can get chilly. And take less than you plan on taking, because I always, every single cruise, bring home clothes that I did not wear. Number 4, Tip number 4 is that you don't have to spend money in port to have a fantastic day. One thing I learned from over the last year is that excursions can be hit or miss. Sometimes I'm completely blown away by the excursion experience, but there are other times where I'm like, wait a minute now, we paid how much for this? And then some of the best port days were kind of just put together by us, completely free or very minimal cost, just walking around, exploring local shops, local beaches, taking pictures, meeting people. Don't feel pressured to spend lots of money at every port. A beautiful day doesn't necessarily have to cost you a dime, or at least not $1. You know what I'm saying? You might spend a little something, but you don't have to spend a whole lot to really enjoy your day. And for me, tip number 5, the best memories have come from me slowing down. And this one kind of surprised me, but the more I cruised, the less I felt the need to do everything. Some of my favorite moments have been like sitting on a balcony, playing cards with my daughters, talking to my daughters, talking to strangers. Y'all know my kids always tease me about all the conversations I have with strangers when I'm cruising. But talking to strangers, laughing with my daughters, sitting and watching the sea, listening to a book, etc., etc., etc. It feels really nice to slow down and to not feel like I have to conquer the ship. Just take it easy and let the cruise come meet me where I am. Now, there are lots of other tips, like cruise line specific tips I can give you. I can give you tips on how to get more out of your Carnival cruise or your Margaritaville at Sea cruise, or how to get into the casino program. And I have done videos on some of those things, and there are more of those videos to come. But these I feel like are just general tips that will help you get more out of your cruising. So if you're a first-time cruiser or relatively new to cruising, I hope this was helpful. I hope this kind of helps you skip over some of the stress and just jump straight into enjoying your trip. So I want to hear from you. What's your number 1 tip that you would give to a new cruiser? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for more cruise tips, midlife adventures, and travel content. I'll see you on the next video, hopefully one day at sea or somewhere else down the road. Bye-bye.